I come here to read my poetry tonight as a black feminist, lesbian poet.
Und am Schluss der Vorlesung, da sagte sie dann so, sie möchte jetzt, dass alle weißen Frauen den Raum verlassen und die schwarzen Frauen im Saal bleiben und dass keine aus dem Saal geht, bevor sie nicht mit einer anderen schwarzen Frau gesprochen hat.
Ihre Initiative war, uns zu vermitteln, ihr müsst euch zusammentun und zeigen, dass ihr da seid und eure Stimme erheben, jeder auf ihre Art.
I've never thought of Afro-German as a positive concept before, she said. Speaking out of the pain of having to live a difference that has no name.
Ich glaube, mir hat niemand so viel Mut gemacht und so viel mir meine eigene Verantwortlichkeit aufgezeigt und damit auch die Möglichkeit, etwas zu tun wie Audre.
She believes that a revolution is made by people and by people who are many individuals, and she's always again capable of seeing the individual and of really putting a point on her finger on things.
Racism in Germany, in Switzerland, in Europe must become an issue for white feminists because it is part of your lives. It affects your lives in every way, and the fact that you are not people of color does not make you safe from the effects of it. Do you hear what I'm saying?
Ja. Du verstehst du, was ich höre? Ja.
I do.
I feel a real lift in coming to Berlin. I think that the women's movement in Berlin is, how do you say, stark, and it has a lot of life and vitality. And it makes my heart sing to see what is possible.
Thousands and millions and billions of light years away.
Berlin added years onto Audre's life, and this is something that I know her stateside public is not aware of. That's the role, how Berlin literally added years to her life.